y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LCZ back today with another mukbang. I'm about to say McVideo. But anywho, hey guys, welcome. Friday is finally Friday. We made it to the end of the freaking week, and guess mother flipping what? It's a 4-day weekend, bro. Ain't no work on Monday. None. You hear me? But anywho, today we are having some fried chicken. You know, it's a spot out here. Don't know if it's everywhere, but it's called Louisiana Fried Chicken. I had it the other day, and baby, it's bomb. It's bomb. It's so good. Like, of course, I mean, I went back, so it had to be bomb, right? But anywho, before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give me a big old thumbs up for this video. Also, turn on post notification bell so you be notified when I drop a video. You already know what it is. Thumbnail, prayer, eat. Let's go. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna dig in for a little bit. I'm hungry, and then we can chat it up a little bit. Oh, so I got a wing basket. It's 4 whole wings, some fries, and a roll with some crushed orange soda. Alright. That over there. Live, love, laugh, y'all. Live, love, laugh. The fries not hot like they was the last time. Them things was steaming hot. But they were like super duper really, really, really busy. They were like so busy. But look at that chicken though. Y'all see that stain coming from that chicken? Can y'all see that? Y'all can't see it. But they go that chicken smells so good, y'all. It's so seasoned. That right here, this hot sauce. Go ahead, get in this bite. Uh-oh. It's hot. From the bone. Y'all wish I can see the sting. Good stuff. Put it right here. Who loves orange soda? Kel loves orange soda. I do, I do, I do. Ooh. Ooh, that was good. Where that's from, y'all? Name that show. In the comments down below. I know I'm smacking. It's like it's something I never knew I needed. Until I had it. All right. I'm good now. We can talk a little bit. So what is up? It's Labor Day weekend. What is everybody doing for Labor Day weekend? Me? I leave for Houston tonight. My best friend's birthday. We're having a game night in Houston at one of our friends' house. And at this point in my life, like this month, I'm going to be doing so many hood rat things with my hood rat friends. If you know where that's from, you seen that bad little boy. I just want to do bad things. Wait, what? But yeah, y'all, going to Houston tonight. And I'll be back Sunday. And then I can just relax and chill. Like Sunday when I get back home. You know, before you go out of town, what do you do first? I mean, besides pack and all that. So after you done packing and everything, what do you do before you go out of town? Clean up the house, right? Make sure the house is spotless, clean, spick and span. So when you come home, all you gotta do is shower and just lay out on your couch, lay out on your bed. Like, it's just a wonderful feeling. So that's what I'll be doing once I get off work. As far as like packing, we won't be doing much out there. Excuse me. Like I said, we're having a game night. So we will be doing things at the house. And then like far as eating, we're gonna be cooking at the house. I think we may do brunch on Sunday. Like go somewhere. But other than that, like tomorrow, then we're gonna get up and we're gonna cook brunch. And then for lunch, we're gonna do the turkey leg cut. And you know, them things is big. So I know that has to last us like all day. Like it has to last us, right? Has anybody been to a turkey leg cut before? Cause I never been, but them that doggone turkeys be like 15 pounds heavy. That's what it look like. And just filled with stuff. And y'all know I don't eat a lot. So I'm be eating on that thing unless it's just bomb and I can't stop eating it. I'm having that for lunch and dinner. But I'm ready. I'm excited. The whole month of September, I'm gone. I freaking love it. I love it so much. Like, I won't be here. I won't be in Dallas. I've been trapped in Dallas since New Orleans in February. That was my last trip. Mardi Gras. Hey, Mardi Gras was a way to go out, though. That was a way to go out with a bang. But still. And then the devil tried to come. He tried to come and ruin my trip for next week. I said, what you're not gonna do is get in the way of my fun, happiness next weekend. It worked out though. Plans are still on. I'll tell y'all where I'm going later on. Later on in the week, next week. It might be a little surprise, you know. All right. I'm drinking this orange soda like it's water. And it's not okay. But yeah, so Monday, I'm going to be chilling. Chilling like a villain. Enjoying that off day. My lunch almost over with. But yeah, I may go to my mama's house or my daddy's house and go swimming. I ain't been swimming 9 times this year, y'all. And now I picked the perfect time because it's looking a little like fall outside. I'm so happy. Hoodie season is right around the corner. I already got outfits coming. A whole new wardrobe. A whole new wardrobe is coming my way, y'all. I'm gonna try to cut all this just t-shirts and stuff. Girl, not that I got seasoning on my neck. Girl, get it together. Y'all see anything? Goodness. But anywho, I'm gonna try to come on the camera a little dolled up from time to time and not just in t-shirts. Because I need to show off not my shirts, my clothes. Like, I be wanting to get cute, y'all. I know it's just not me. I be wanting to be cute around the house. Even if, you know, we can't go nowhere, or if I don't go anywhere. Like, I want some cute stuff around the house. But it be so hard. Excuse me. It be so hard to find the stuff that I like in the store. And then, the way my body is, like, I'm long, slim, thick. You know what I'm saying? So, when I order online, a lot of times the clothes don't fit right. Especially bottoms. Like, I can order some pants, my size or whatever, get them, pull them up. I could either be flooded, or it could either not go above my thighs, or if I get them all the way up, the waist part of it, like this is my waist. We're gonna look this way. This is my waist. The pants be this far out. Like I just pull them out, like. And I'm like, I can't, even with a belt, it's still gonna be scrunched up. So my waist is small, thighs a little thick. So it's hard. So I be like, seeing folks online and stuff, and I'm like, oh, that is so cute. Like, I want that so bad, but I don't know if I can order it because once it gets here, it may not fit right. So I try to go look in the stores and can't find nothing that I like. Like, my style is just not in the stores. Then again, I can't tell you the last time I went shopping. Got doggone, for Mardi Gras, I went shopping. But that was just for more, going out clothes. Got a few more minutes. So I'm gonna say, put your hands on your. Now this ain't hitting like it was the other day. We just gonna charge it to today's game because they looked overwhelmed in there. So I'm gonna let them slide. Just know I'll be back again. So before you go, can you do me a favor and subscribe to my channel for me? All you gotta do is hit that red button. Turn that post notification bell so you be notified when I drop a video. You know, it comes straight to your phone. It brings you a notification like it was a text message. Bing, bing. I pop up on your phone like that. Yep, I surely do. I'm trying to work hard to grow this channel. Kind of feeling it a standstill. But I know I just gotta keep going. I can't stop. But once you stop, you're really not gonna progress. You know? All right. So you know we gotta do our daily inspiration. Let's see what we got today on this beautiful, wonderful, lovely Friday. All right, so this is Numbers 6 and 24. The Lord bless you and keep you. Amen. Let's read the back. Joy is not in things, it is in us. Richard Wagner. Can y'all say it again for the people in the back? And they is me and me is they. And I'm about to say it one more time. Joy is not in things. It is in us. Joy is in us. Not in this materialistic goddamn stuff that's surrounded by us. Joy is within itself. You, baby. Anywho, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang for today. You know what I'm saying? Give me a big old thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, don't give me a thumbs down. Just move on to the next flipping video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and turn on post notification bell so you be notified when I drop a video. It's me, it's you, LT is signing out. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.